Well, good morning from San Antonio. Thank you for coming here if you came from out of town. I really appreciate Dean Hartman and his team putting this together. We talked about this maybe 6 months ago, about the need to pull together a lot of different communities to look at how we do planning and programming within the CE community. So I appreciate you coming here to bring your expertise and to bring your experience to what we do here. I think we're at a very exciting time in the CE community as we begin to see some of our IT systems begin to get fielded now, and they're maturing up, and we begin to look at how we can bring together some of our other databases and really begin to look at our installations from an enterprise perspective. We did a little bit of that this year, but I believe we have a long ways to go, and we're on the path to make that happen. So, for example, one of the things we wanted to look at was what has the CAM community done with their 10-year journey now on how they do maintenance, repair, and overhaul funding for the whole of the United States Air Force. And how do they do the prioritization of it? And how can we take those principles and apply it to the CE community and to installations? What has LCMC learned throughout their life cycle now of how they do prioritization and how they do resource allocation? Again, things that we can learn and apply to the CE community. So I believe you're going to have a very fruitful and useful time together here as we take the good work that's been done and the principles that you've learned and apply them to what we're doing and need to be doing in the CE community. A lot of great work has been done. There's really good foundation laid in the CE community for planning and programming. And now it's our opportunity to build on it, make it stronger, and really begin to tell the Air Force how our installations are doing, where we're taking risk, how much risk we're taking, and more importantly, what kind of resources we need in order to have the kind of installations that we need in order to do the mission that we do for not only the Air Force, but for our joint partners and for the nation. So I thank you for coming. I appreciate the time you've taken, and I look forward to hearing what comes out of this conference. Thank you.